Welcome. Today I am going to show you how to upload your certificates into CE Broker of trainings that you have taken with LADC. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have downloaded your certificate from LADC into a PDF file. The instructions are on the emails that we send out once you have taken your training. From there, you're going to want to go ahead and log in to CE Broker. If you're unsure of how to do this, you can go to oplc.nh.gov and under Licensing and under CE Tracking, there is a step-by-step instructional video of how to create your free account with CE Broker. Once you have logged in, you will see this message that says not completed. If you click on Calculate Compliance for Me, this will take you to a section that will want you to pay for the site. You do not need to pay for this site in order to report your CEs. So go ahead and click on Report CE, and you will see several options under here. The ones that I'm going to explain to you are ones that you can utilize for LADC trainings. So for suicide prevention offered by a rule-approved educational provider, you will go ahead and choose this one. If you have an ethics training, you will go ahead and choose ethics offered by a rule-approved educational provider. For anything else through LADC, you are going to choose required competence category hours offered by a rule-approved educational provider. The steps are the same for ethics and suicide as they are for the required competence, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this one. So go ahead and click on Begin. And on the certificate, all the information that you need will be on here. So the first thing that you're going to want is the date. So this was taken on September 28th, 2023. You have two options here of course type, live or anytime. So live is either in person or via Zoom where it's interactive. Anytime would be a webinar. So this one was a live training. It was for 3 hours. So go ahead and select live, and under here you will select class. From here you will need to choose what subject area this falls under. So when you look at the certificate, under LADC and MLADC categories of competence, it will show you which ones they fall under, 5 to 7 and 15 to 18. For renewal requirements for LADC and MLADC, there are 7 categories of competence that you need to fall under these. This does not tell you which numbers they are. However, if you go to the fact page on LADC, under credentialing questions, it does list the 7 categories of competence needed for LADC and MLADC relicensure. It will show you categories 1, 2, and 14 through 18. So you're going to go ahead and choose which category of competence. So for this one, it falls under 15. I'm going to go ahead and choose that one, which is sociological factors. So on here, I'm going to go ahead to sociological factors. This has 3 hours, and I'm going to go ahead and put in 3 and choose continue. It then asks you the name of the CE course. And so this one, so you think you're trauma informed. Go ahead and click continue. And then it asks you what the name of the educational provider that presented this course. Go ahead and type in LADC and click continue. And then you're going to choose which of the following groups approve this course, and again it's LADC, and click continue. From here you're going to go ahead and click on attach document, and you have a couple options of how to do this. You can either browse on your computer, or you can just drop it right in and go ahead and click continue. By clicking on Submit CE, you are certifying that the answers you've submitted are correct and true. And it tells you your CE credit has been submitted. You can go ahead and click on Report Additional CEs, and it will take you back to the screen where you can go ahead and enter suicide, ethics, or anything else that is applicable. If you're having questions outside of this, you can go to cebroker.com and go to Support. And under Contact Us, there are 3 options. You can contact them via chat down below. You can contact them via email and submit a ticket. And you can only contact them via phone if you pay for the CE Broker account. Thank you and have a good day.